To enable virtualization in Windows 11, you need to access the BIOS settings and the Windows features. Start by restarting your computer and entering the BIOS settings, which is usually done by pressing a specific key such as F2, F10, or del during the boot process. The exact key may vary depending on your computer's manufacturer, so check your manual if you are unsure. Once you are in the BIOS settings, look for the virtualization option, which may be labeled as Intel VTX, AMD, or virtualization technology. Enable this option and save the changes. Then exit the BIOS settings and let your computer boot normally into Windows 11. After booting into Windows 11, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type MSInfo32 and press Enter to open the System Information window. In this window, look for the virtualization enabled in Firmware section. If it says yes, then virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Next, you need to enable the Windows Hypervisor platform and the Windows subsystem for Linux, if you plan to use these features. To do this, press the Windows key and the S key at the same time to open the search box. Type Turn Windows Features on or off and press Enter. In the Windows Features window, scroll down and check the boxes next to Windows Hypervisor Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, you can verify that virtualization is enabled by opening the System Information window again. If everything is set up correctly, you should now be able to run virtual machines and use virtualization features in Windows 11. It is important to note that not all computers support virtualization, so if you are unable to find the virtualization option in your BIOS settings, it may not be supported by your computer's processor. Additionally, some computers may have virtualization enabled by default, so you may not need to make any changes to the BIOS settings.